a bunch of random stuff. Okay, so drew heavily from the list for this. We've got Ratchet and Clank Rift Apart announcement trailer, Mirror's Edge, Returnal, Shadow of the Tomb Raider, Metro Exodus story trailer. I mean, I've seen Tomb Raider, like the movie. Does that count? All right, we're gonna do those in the order that I said because I really have no idea about any of them. And if you're one of the people who recommended these to me, thank you so much for doing that. And I'm sorry it took me this long. If you did not already know, I am a self-published author. These are my books, Magic Required and Dominion Required. Follow the story of a Celtic demigod named Lachlan as he tries to seek a redemption he is not sure he deserves. Blood, Kin, and Curses is the first in an adjacent series and follows the character of Dyson, a girl who gets turned into a vampire and has to navigate a world she never knew existed while trying to avoid an ancient curse. Unlike most vampire novels, Blood, Kin, and Curses is predominantly a father-daughter story between Dyson and her maker. So if you were into, I guess, a more typical vampire romance-ish kind of novel, just adjust your expectations, but I think you'll still enjoy it. At least I hope you will. I am now an Audible affiliate and you can use my link audibletrial.com/Hannah to get 30 days for free with Audible. With your membership, you get 1 credit a month along with full access to all of the included titles. You get access to Audible originals and podcasts and a membership price on all of their audiobooks, and they have thousands of titles from business, wellness, celebrity memoirs. You could use your credit even on a bestseller. I love using my credits on bestsellers because they're so expensive otherwise. You can also use that Audible credit to check out 2 of my 3 fantasy novels. Hopefully my 3rd one will be on there soon. Magic Required and Dominion Required both have audiobooks, and I am currently working on the audiobook for Blood, Kin, and Curses. If you have been thinking about trying Audible, I encourage you to use my link audibletrial.com/Hannah. And then one of my books, one of these, oh, not this one, these ones. Hopefully 3 soon. All the links for that are in the description, and let's get to this long list of random things. All right, Ratchet and Clank Rift Apart. Oh, hi little thing. You're cute and gross.
You all right back there? No way.
It appears that the dimensions are collapsing on one another. If we cannot get to...
Right, the ship. I mean, we can't be that far.
I have it in my sights.
They have found us, Ratchet.
Go, Ratchet!
How do I steer this thing?
Ask nicely.
Slow down, please! Dad's not listening!
The dimensions are weakening considerably.
Where's your ship?
What is it?
Well, it is certainly not good.
Great!
Where are we?
Beats me.
Fifth Element. You're the Fifth Element. Pirates of the Caribbean.
How many arms you got, beast? We've been boarded. Get off me.
We've been boarded. Ah! Reattach! Where did you go? Reattach. Find your buddy. Oh no!
Ratchet. We are too late. Ratchet.
Where is Ratchet?
Who?
I don't get it, but it was really fun. All right, next we've got Mirror's Edge. I don't know why, but I feel like this is gonna be a strong vibe change from the first one to this one. I hope not, because I really enjoyed the vibe of the last one. Oh, okay, cool. way more agile than me. I don't have that kind of upper body strength. I'm also getting a little dizzy. Yo, slow down, you're freaking me the fuck out. Did we just run on the wall? Oh! Hey, girl. It's very dangerous. What is a game like that? Like, what does a trailer like that tell you? I don't really... It's showing you what the inside of the game looks like. That's the only purpose of a trailer like that. All right, next we have Returnal. PlayStation. Okay.
Over and over.
I keep forgetting that those are going to be on for all of them.
Planet.
Okay. I'm here for aliens.
The crash. The attack.
Okay, never mind. Not here for aliens. You're dead?
The crash. The attack. My death. Trapped in this endless cycle. Even death is no escape. Each time I awake, this planet seems somehow different. As if changing. This world is becoming part of me. Infecting my mind. My memories. The longer I spend here, the more I can feel my sanity slip away.
Well, no shit.
But I cannot lose hope. My only choice is to keep fighting. To keep looking for answers. My only hope is to break the cycle.
But how?
Before the cycle
Breaks you.
breaks me.
Huh. Cool. Creepy. Nope. Nope. That's a nope for me. I will nope that game. That kind of reminded me of watched Deathloop recently, so she's stuck in this kind of thing, and just like a general nope. I was here for like the Star Trek style aliens that you chat with and, you know, make something from the replicator. Shadow of the Tomb.
I thought I knew why I came here. I saw it. The end.
Is this a Tomb Raider thing?
So vivid. But now the truth
It is,
feels
right?
further away than ever.
Yeah, Shadow of the Tomb
So
Raider.
many questions.
Okay. So many questions. Okay. Cool.
We can't let Trinity get hold of this.
Let's think this through.
Do you realize the tragedy you have unleashed? The cleansing has begun. It falls to me now to stop it before it consumes us all.
What have I done?
When you're in the game, are like you trying to grab onto things? Do you have that ability?
What a shame you can't hear me. I speak louder. Thought you could keep me in reserve.
I know that it's not practical.
While you made up your mind.
I know that it's hard to believe.
Could I hold myself back? Well, you fed me a fable, but I know the taste of life.
You don't know that you caused all this, Laura!
You need to trust me.
We have to trust each other.
Facts.
I speak louder.
She's like, yeah, you're right. Right behind him with that arrow.
He wants to alter the course of humanity. If you had that power, what would you do?
Like, maybe give it back. Become the Tomb Raider. You know, I always forget that this was a game first, right? The movie came after. Hey, that's a video game movie that wasn't too bad, right? The first one was okay? Okay, last one we're gonna watch today. Metro Exodus story trailer. Oh, right. Right. This is a novel.
The sun on my face. Fresh air in my lungs.
Because everybody lives in subways.
The grass beneath my feet. I'd heard of such things, yet I lived in a world without them.
Right.
An underground world. I have no recollection of life before the blast.
There's only Metro, nothing else.
Just a girl when the bombs fell.
You were right all along. It's not just Russia out there. It's the whole world.
Could such things
What was
exist
that?
again? I live in hope.
Let your hands slay the enemy's servants with no rest or mercy.
Religious fanatics are always wild.
See the people I have to work with here. Complete and utter degradation. We are the government you people deserve.
I'll drown you in your own blood.
So you do understand. There is no other way. Man is a beast. A beast!
Who are those people trying to kill us?
It's the strongest who survives.
But don't you see what you're doing to my daughter? Your wife?
You're not saving anyone!
I live in hope. But the future is still all I fear.
I gotta watch something light and fluffy after this. That is so, like, intense. I want to go back to the Ratchet and Clank, but then they're together and it's okay. That was done very well and like looks very interesting. And another one of the things that I would put in a category with The Wire or Breaking Bad or a bunch of other things that like I can acknowledge that looks very good. I'm sure if I watched it I would think that was very good, but it would make me so sad on the inside that it's not worth it. I choose life. I choose life. But that was great. I did enjoy the wide variety of trailers that I was exposed to there. Please let me know your thoughts in the comment section below, or if you have anything that you want me to watch. The more I see a request, like the more I see the title of a game, the more likely I am to do it. So write the title, post a link, whatever. I look forward to hearing from you guys to know what direction you kind of want me to go with this channel. Thank you so much for making it to the end of this video. Thank you even more if you have bought my novels. As always, I hope you are all happy and healthy, taking care of yourselves and each other, being friends instead. And until next time, may the force be with you. Live long and prosper. And I'll be back.